So today we're going to talk about exponential growth and decay functions. And what I want you to do is I just want you to put these in the calculator and then look at the graphs and just trace them out. And then we'll actually graph these by hand next time. I just want to spend 2 days on this. It looks like many of us are struggling with graphing. So we're just going to put this right there into the calculator. So here's my calculator right here. I'm going to hit the y equals button, and I'm going to put that in. So I have a 4, power button. When I put this in, the power is going to go in parentheses. So it's going to be looking like that here. So then I have x in parentheses minus the 2, and then I'm going to hit graph. And then it's going to be something like that here. There we go. So it kind of disappears here. Just remember what that's doing is it's actually just following the x-axis right here. So when it disappears, it just follows the x-axis and goes here. And then I'm just gonna, let's see here. This is 1, 2, 3, so 3, yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of go like that. And it's not perfect, and we'll talk about how to do it more perfectly later. But yeah, I just go ahead and put all these in. Notice this one is not in a exponent, so I'm gonna hit 2x, and then, gotta clear that out, 2 to the power of x. But I'm not going to put in parentheses, I'm just going to write plus 1. Then I'm going to hit graph, and then I'll trace out this one as well. So notice this one goes in a straight line right here like this, and then it goes up. Okay? So notice they do shift a little bit, and it shifts up one because of that. And the hope is that as you do these, you'll figure it out. And then same thing here for these. These ones are a little more tricky, so when I put this one in, it's going to be parenthesis 1 divided 3, parenthesis power x plus 1 plus 2. So you got to put your fractions in parentheses and your powers in parentheses here. So let's do that. Let's clear this out. Parenthesis 1 divided 3, power button, parenthesis x plus 1, close parenthesis plus 2, and then we're going to hit graph, and we'll see this graph. It'll look very similar, but it'll be like backwards. Then I want you to trace this out. Again, we're going to learn how to do these by hand next time, along with some formulas, but I just want you to see the shapes and then try to see what you're seeing with these numbers. Like, what are these numbers doing? And then we'll talk more about those next time. So that's all I want you to do in the assignment today is just put them in the calculator, see what it looks like, trace it out. Okay? Have a good day. Bye.